Hi kids, please take a look at page 1, and today we're going to talk about three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional shapes are solid shapes, for example, cubes and rectangular prisms. Both of them have faces and vertices. Okay, so let's take a look at the cube. So, what is a face? A face is a flat surface on a 3D shape. So this is a face. So how many faces does the cube have? Yes, it has 6 faces. How about vertices? A vertex is a corner where the edges meet. For the cube, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. How about the rectangular prism? On the rectangular prism, there are some flat surfaces. These are the faces. So how many faces does the rectangular prism have? Yes, it has 6 faces. How about the vertex? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. And then we move on to next part. Circle the shape of the face that make each object. That means we need to find the face of the object and identify their shapes. So take a look at the plastic wrap. This is one of the face. You can see that the shape of the face is a rectangle. How about the box? This is one of the face. What is the shape? Yes, it is a square. So we circle the square. Okay, now we move on to page 6. We are going to see some more examples of 3D shapes. So this is a cone. Let's find the number of faces. Because it only have one flat surface, so it has one face only. How about vertex? It has one corner, so it has one vertex. And the next type is cylinder. How many faces does it have? It has 2 flat surfaces, one in the bottom and one on top. So it has 2 faces. How about the vertex? Does it have any corner? No, so it has 0 vertex. And then we take a look at next question. What shapes are the faces on this cube of cheese? For the cube, the shapes of all faces are the same. So what is the shape? Is it a rectangle? Is it a square? Is it a triangle? Yes, it should be square. All faces are square. So, how many faces does the cube have? Do you still remember? Yes, it has 6 faces. So, we just need to draw 6 square. Okay, now we move on to page 9. The first question, we just need to write 0 to 10. So we start from 0. The next number is number 1, and then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. And then next question, we need to circle the correct position or write the number. Take a look at question 1. You can see there are so many blue cups. The one on the left hand side is the first one. And then we need to find the third one. We need to circle the third one. The first, the second, the third. This is the third one. Okay, and then we move on to next question. So the one on the left is the first one, and then we need to find the position of this cup. So this is the first one, and then the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. So this cup is the fifth. And then next question, we need to circle the sixth cup. The one on the left is the first one, and then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So this is the sixth one. Okay, last question. We need to find the position of this cup. The one on the left is the first, and then this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. This is the 10th one. Okay, now we move on to page 10. Question 1, we need to circle the fifth one. So the one on the left hand side is the first one, and then we need to find the fifth one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is the fifth one. And then question 2, we need to circle the third one. So the one on the right hand side is the first. First, second, and then third. This is the third one. So we circle it. Okay, next question, question 3. Circle the correct position and write the number. Question 1, there are so many bees. The first one is on the right hand side, and then we need to find the second one. The one on the right is the first one, so the one next to it should be the second one. So we just need to circle this bee. And then question 2, we need to find the positions of these rows. So the first one is on the left hand side. First, second, third, fourth. So this is the fourth one. Next question, we need to find the position of this butterfly. The first one is on the right hand side. And then the one next to it, it is the second one. And then the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh. So this is the seventh one. Next question, we need to find the ninth one. The one on the left is the first one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So this is the ninth one. Okay, last question. We need to circle the fifth one. The one on the right is the first one. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So this is the fifth one. Okay, now we take a look at page 14. Fill in the blanks and do the coloring. So the first question, we need to find the length of the pen. So how many square equals to the length of the pen? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 square equals to the length of the pen. And then take a look at next question. Color it with blue color if it is longer than the pen. There are 3 pens, pen A, pen B, and pen C. Which of them are longer than the pen on top? The length of the pen on top equals to 6 square. How about pen A? How many square equals to the length of pen A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 square. Is it longer than the pen on top? Yes, it is longer than the pen on top, so we color this pen with blue color. How about pen B? How many square equals to its length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it longer than the pen on top? No. How about pen C? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It equals to 8 square. Is it longer than the pen on top? Yes. So let's color it in blue. Okay, next question. There are two pencils. The yellow pencil is longer. Fill in the blanks. Okay, let's take a look at the pictures. If we try to measure the length of these two pencils, you can see that the yellow pencil is longer than the green pencil. Okay, now we take a look at the first question. How many cubes equals to the length of the yellow pencil? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cubes equals to the length of the yellow pencil. Okay, and then question 2. So how many cubes equals to the length of the green pencil? 8 or 10? Yes, it should be 8, because the length of the green pencil is shorter than the yellow pencil, so the number of cubes should be less than 9. So 8 is the answer.